Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Dholakiya from Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we will learn Maths of Standard 6, Chapter number 7, Fractions. In previous video we have learned all the concepts of the chapter. Today we will go through the exercise. So let's start. Exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Now in this question you are given some figures and you have to mention how many parts are shaded. So this is your first figure. Out of that 2 parts are shaded. So total parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Total part 4. Out of that 2 parts are shaded. Number next 2. Total parts 9 given to you. Out of that 9 parts are total. Out of that 8 parts are shaded. So it's 8 upon 9. Total parts we are always writing as denominator. And shaded portion we are writing as numerator. Now let us see fourth one. A circle is given to you. In that one part is shaded. Total part 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of one part is shaded. So it's 1 upon 4. Now let's see question number 2. Color the part according to given fraction. Now here you are given fraction and figure both. According to that you have to mark your color in that. That is you have to shade it. Okay. Now here you are given 1 upon 6. Total parts are 6. Out of that you have to color one part. You have to shade one part. So any one part you can shade. Let's see fourth one. Circle is given to you. In that you have to shade 3 parts. So out of 4 parts you have to shade 3 parts. So it's 3 upon 4. Now let's see question number 3. Identify the error if any. Now here you are given one figure and you are told if any error is there, then you have to mark it out. So given figure to you is somewhat like this. Triangle is given to you and one part is shaded in the triangle out of 2. Here it's 1 upon 2. Now if we observe it, both the parts are not equal. Here 1 upon 2 means 2 equal parts of a given figure. Now here parts are not equal. So it is not representing equal part. That's why it's not 1 upon 2 because it is not divided into equal parts. So this is an error. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? Now students, we know total hours of the day is 24. We have to find out fraction for 8 hours. So fraction for 8 hours equal 8 upon 24. 24 is total. Out of that we have to find out for 8. If we convert this into lowest term, it will be 1 upon 3. Question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Now we have to find out for minutes. We all know we are having total 60 minutes. So first we will note down total minutes is equal to 60. We have to find out brought two sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other two boys forgot to bring the lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. Question number 8. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? Now here he is having two sandwiches. So what he will do? He will do 3 equal parts of the sandwich and each of them will get one part of the sandwich. B question. What part of the sandwich will each boy receive? So here we can say 1/3 part of each. So very first question number 6. Here he will make 3 equal parts. Each one get 1 part. Question be what fraction of the sandwich he will get? It's 1/3. Question number 7. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses she has finished? Now here we have to find out fraction for completed dress. So we will write like this. She has to dye dresses equal 30. Work she has completed is 20. So therefore fraction for complete dresses or completed work is equal to 20/30. So it is 2/3 in the lowest term. Question number next 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So very first we are writing all the numbers from 2 to 12. Total numbers are we have to start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13. Here we have to start 2 and we have to write down natural numbers. So out of these numbers we are having out of that we have to find out prime numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. We have to find out fraction for prime number. So fraction for prime number is equal to 5/11. Total numbers are 5. Total numbers are 11. Out of that 5 numbers are prime. Now let us see question number 10. What fraction of these circles x have in them? Here you are given 8 total circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this 8, 4 circles are having x sign in that, and that is what we have to find out. So here we will write total shape is 8. Total means total circle we can say. So total circle 8. Fraction for circle having x equals 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8. So 4/8, or we can say 1/2. 11 CDs and received 5 others as a gift. What fraction of her CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as a gift? So let's see how to find out the fractions for this both. So question number 11 we are solving now. CDs she bought. Very first, CDs she bought equals, how many CDs? 3. Okay, total CDs are 8 now. So fraction for CDs she bought equals 3 upon 8. Same way, CDs she received as a gift is 5. The total number of CDs is 8. So fraction for gifted CDs is equal to 5 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 is our answer. Now let us start exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. So let's see. Question number first. A. You are given 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. So very first we will draw the number line. First here we will locate 0. Now each number we will represent. So here 1 upon 4 is smaller than 1 upon 2. So we will locate that first. 1 upon 4, then it's 1 upon 2, then 3 upon 4 and then 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 we can say it's 1. So between 0 to 1 these 4 numbers are there. Next question B. 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. So very first we will draw a number line. We will mark 0, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8. Now direct 7 upon 8. But here we need to write between numbers 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8. If we mark 8 upon 8, it will be 1. So whatever the numbers they have told, we will make a square on that. So this number we have represented on number line. Question number 2. Express the following as a mixed fraction. Now here you are given first 20 upon 3. To convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we have to divide. So 3 divide 20. 3 6 are 18. 2 remains. So 20 upon, therefore 20 upon 3 equals 6 integer 2 upon 3. Next we will see sum 17 upon 7. Again this is an improper. So 7 divide 17. 7 2s are 14. 3 remains. So 17 upon 7 equals 2 integer 3 upon 7. Question number 3. Express the following as an improper fraction. Now you are given mixed fraction and you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first is 7 integer 3 upon 4. As we have discussed in previous video, very first we will multiply denominator with whole number. 4 into 7 plus 3 upon 4. 28 7 4s are 28 plus 3 upon 4. So it's 31 upon 4. Next we will see some 2 integer 5 upon 6. So whole number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. 2 6s are 12 plus 5 upon 6. So it's 17 upon 6. Now let us start exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Let us see sum number A. Here you are given 4 figures and we have to check whether they are equivalent or not. So very first we will mention it out. Here one part is shaded out of 2, 2 parts are shaded out of 4. Here 6 parts are there, out of them 3 parts are shaded. Same way 8 parts, 4 parts are shaded. Now let us check whether they are equivalent or not. So here we will start with 2 upon 4. If we divide it by 2 upon 2, we will get 1 upon 2. Same way 3 upon 6 will be divided by 3 upon 3. So we will get 1 upon 2. Next 4 upon 8 will be divided by 4 upon 4. So 1 upon 2. So here in every case we are getting 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So we can say that 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 8. In short, we can say these fractions are equivalent fractions. Now let us see question number 2. Write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fraction from each row. Here you are given figures in 2 rows. So let us first write the fraction for the one particular row. We'll write fraction for both the row turn by turn. So very first we will start with row 1. First it's 1 upon 2. Out of 2, 1 part is shared. Then it's 4 upon 6. Out of 4, 6 parts are shared. Then 3 upon 9. Then 2 upon 8. And even 3 upon 4. Let us check row 2. In that, first is 6 upon 18. Second is 4 upon 8. Third is it's a 12 upon 16. Fourth one 8 upon 12. Fifth one 4 upon 16. Now here we cannot see any equal fractions. So we need to convert this fractions into its simplest form or in the lowest term. So very first 1 upon 2 is same as 1 upon 2. 4 upon 6 is 2 upon 3. Here 1 upon 3. Here it's 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is simplest form. Same. Here we will note down the answers. Now we will convert this row 2 into lowest term. 6 ones are 6 threes are 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 threes are 4 fours are. Again here 8 upon 12 is 2 upon 3. let us compare. 1 upon 2 is second option B. 2 upon 3 is fourth option. 1 upon 3 is first option. 1 upon 4 is fifth option. And 3 upon 4 is third option. So this is how we have to pair up each row. Now let us see question number 3. Replace square in each of the following by correct number. Here we have to insert a missing number in such a way that given number should be correct either as a numerator or as a denominator. So first, here you are given 2 upon 7 equals 8 upon square. Here you need to find out the number. So if we focus, we can see that by multiplying 4 with 2, here we will get 8. So 2 upon 7, rule is to multiply with same number to numerator and denominator. So 4 upon 4, 8 upon 28. So here 8 is given. What is not given? 28. So here missing number is 28. Now let us see something. 3 upon 5, here numerator is not given and it's 20. Now by multiplying 5 with 4, we will get 20. So 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 4. So 12 upon 20. 12 is not given, 20 is already given. So here it's 12. Same way, sum number B, let us see. 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. Here if we look out, the fraction is small. It becomes smaller, it becomes lowest. So here we need to divide. So if we divide 45 by 3, we will get 15. So same way 16 also should be divided by 3. So 60 divide 3, 20. So here 15 is given. What is not given? 20. So number should be 20. Question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Now here you are given one fraction, that is 3 upon 5, and you are given that numerator should be or denominator should be whatever the number is given. So first, denominator should be 20. So question number 4, denominator we want 20. Given fraction is 3 upon 5. So by multiplying 4 with 5, we will get 20 as a denominator. So rule says you have to divide or multiply with same number to numerator and denominator. So 3 also will be multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. So here 12 upon 20. Same way here numerator should be 9. So 3 upon 5. If we multiply 3 by 3, we will get 9. So 3 upon 3, 9 upon 15. Question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with numerator 9. Here also you are told that numerator should be 9. So, given fraction is 36 upon 48. If we divide 36 by 4, we will get 9. So, same way 48 should be divided by 4. So, it should be 12. 9 upon 12. Same upon 9 is equal to 30 upon 54. Same way, second sum, B, 150 upon, it's 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 50. Now in this also we will do cross multiplication, 3 into 50 and 12 into 10. So 150 and 120. These values are not equal. So 3 upon 10 is not equal to 12 upon 50. Now let us see question number 7. In this question, we have to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Now, as we have discussed, we have to find out HCF of the given number first. So, here you are given 48 and 60. 48 upon 60. So, very first we will find out HCF for 48. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Now 60. 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So 20, 48 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Same way, 60 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Here we are having 2 and 2 common, 2 and 2 common, 3 and 3 common. So HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. Now we will divide 48 upon 60 by 12 upon 12. 12 4s are 12 5s are. So 4 upon 5 is our answer. Let's see sum number B. 150 upon 60. Same way. First we will find out HCF. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. So factors, prime factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factors of 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Common factors 2 2, 3 3, 5 5. So HCF 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Now we will divide 150 upon 60 by 30 upon 30. So it's 5 upon 2. So this is our answer. Now let us see question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Shilu used up 25 and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did they use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencils. So here you are given total number of pencils and the pencils they have used after 4 months. So let's start doing the sum. Very first we will calculate for Ramesh. Total pencils, Ramesh is having 20, used 10. So fraction 1 upon 2. This is for Ramesh. Now we will see for Shiru. Total pencil Shiru is having 25. She has used out of 50. So total 50, used 25. So fraction 25 upon 50. Again it's 1 upon 2. Now let us see for Jamal. He is having total pencil 80. Out of that he has used 40 pencils. So fractions of used pencil 40 upon 80, which is also 1 upon 2. Now question is, check if they have used up an equal fraction of his or her pencil. Now in each case we are getting 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So we can say they have used equal fractions of their pencils. Let us start exercise 7.4. Question 1. Write shaded portion as fractions. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using sign smaller, equal or greater between the fractions. You are given figure over here. We will write down fractions for each first. Question number 1. First is 3 upon 8. Second is out of 8, 6 are colored. Then 4 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. Now here we can see all the denominators are same. So we will compare numerator. In ascending order we have to start from smaller. So 1 upon 8 is smaller than 3 upon 8, is smaller than 4 upon 8, is smaller than 6 upon 8. Now descending order, reverse of this. 6 upon 8 is greater than 4 upon 8, is greater than 3 upon 8, is greater than 1 upon 8. Let us see question number 2. Compare the fraction and put appropriate sign. Very first, 3 upon 6, 5 upon 6. Here denominators are same. They are like fractions. So compare numerator, 3 is smaller than 5. Same with D, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7. Here numerator are same. So greater 7 is there. So greater denominator is greater, smaller number. Question number 3. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate sign. Now we have to write down the 5 pairs having equal denominator or having different numerator equal. So let's do it. 7 upon 15, first pair is less than 99 upon 15. 13 upon 26 is greater than 3 upon 26. Here I have taken same denominator. Now numerator, 4 upon 10 is greater than 4 upon 40. Same way, 5 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 9. Last, 13 upon 16 is greater than 12 upon 16. Here, same denominator, equal denominator. I have covered all the things in 5 minutes. Now question number 5. How quickly can we do this? It means we have to put an appropriate sign. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. So if we make cross multiplication 5 and 2, so 5 is greater. So this number is greater. Same way. B. 3. Cross multiplication, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. It's a greater. So this is how we have to make it equal. Now question number 6. The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups and equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So very first, each and every we will convert into smallest or lowest term. 2 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 6. This is its lowest term. B. 3 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 5. 8 upon 50, lowest term. 4 upon 25 divided by 2 upon 2. 16 upon 100, 4 upon 25. 10 upon 60, 1 upon 6. 15 upon 75, 1 upon 5. Next, H. It's G. 12 upon 60. It's 1 upon 5. How? 12 ones are 12 5s are. H. 16 upon 96. 1 upon 6. I. 12 upon 75. 4 upon 25. We'll divide by 3 upon 3. J. 12 upon 72. 1 upon 6. K. 3 upon 18. 1 upon 6. L. 4 upon 25. So it's already in its lowest term. Now here we are getting 3 different answers. 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 25. Let's make group. Very first we will take 1 upon 6. First group 1 upon 6. So it's 2 upon 12 is equal to 10 upon 60 is equal to 16 upon 96 is equal to 12 upon 72 is equal to 3 upon 80. Second group is of 1 upon 5. So 3 upon 15 is equal to 15 upon 75 is equal to 12 upon 60. Now remaining are of 4 upon 25. 8 upon 50 is equal to 16 upon 100 is equal to 12 upon 75. 4 upon 25 is already given, so need not to mention. So these are the 3 groups how we have to break. Now find the answer to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. This is our question number 7. Here you are given the question is given fraction is equal to 2 fractions are given and you have to compare it. So let's start. Question number 7. A. Is 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5? Let's check. We'll do cross multiplication. 5 will be multiplied by 5 and 4 will be multiplied by 9. 5 5s are 25, 36. These values are not equal. So these fractions are not equal. Next, C. Is 4 upon 5 equal to 16 upon 20? 4 will be multiplied by 20 and 16 multiplied by 5. 80 is equal to 80. So these fractions are equivalent or equal. Now let us see sum number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3 upon 6 of an hour. Rohit exercised 3 upon 4 the time for Rafiq exercised for 3/6. Rohit exercised for 3/4. Now we will compare this. Your numerators are same. So a fraction having smaller denominator is greater. So here Rohit has 3/4. 4 is smaller. So Rohit exercised more. So this is our answer. Rohit exercised longer. Exercise 7.5. Write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. Now first figure is given. It indicates 1/5. Second indicates 2/5. And answer given to you is 3/5. Means we have to add 1 plus 2/5. 3/5. B. Total all the part are shaded. So 5/5. In second it's 3. So 3/5 and answer is 2/5 means they have subtracted 5 minus 3/5, 2/5. Question number 2. Sum number C. Solve 7/7 minus 5/7. Your denominator are same, so we can do direct subtraction. 7 minus 5/7, 2/7. G. 1 minus 2/3. Now 1 means here 3/3. So 3 minus 2/3, 1/3. Let's see third sum. Shubham painted 2/3 of wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of wall space. How much did they paint together? So Shubham painted 2/3, Madhvi painted 1/3. They have together painted 2/3 plus 1/3, 3/3. That is 1. So they painted full wall. Now let's start exercise 7.6, question number 1. Sum number K. 1 integer 1/3 plus 3 integer 2/3. Here it is mixed fraction, so we will convert it into improper. 4/3 plus 11/3. As denominators are same, we will add direct. 4 plus 11/3, 15/3 is 5. Now let's see sum number H. 5/6 minus 1/3. Here denominators are different, so we will take LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now we will make fractions equivalent by making the denominator equal. 5/6 into 1/1, 5/6. 1/3 into 2/2 is 2/6. Now denominators are equal. 5/6 minus 2/6. So we can direct subtract 5 minus 2/6. 3/6. Lowest term 1/2. Now let's see question number 4. Fill in the boxes. First one, dash minus 5/8 equals 1/4. Now we will shift 5/8 to the next side of equal. It will become positive. So 1/4 plus 5/8. Now let us find out LCM. 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So we'll make denominator equal. 5/8 into 1/1, 5/8. 1/4 into 2/2, 2/8. Now we will add 5/8 plus 2/8. It is 7/8. So here it should be 7/8. Now let us see question number 7. Nandini's house is 9/10 km from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So very first, distance from house to school 9/10 km. She took bus after walking 1.5 km. Distance she walked we have to find out. So 9/10 minus 1/2. Again we'll find LCM and LCM should be 10. So make denominator Students, here I have covered all the exercises of the chapter. I hope you are clear with the chapter. Thank you.